What's up?
We're out here in the golden hour trying to just take some photos and relax a little bit.
Sounds like a plan.
It's a little chilly and there's a lot of mosquitoes, but other than that, it's good.
I got them in there. They're just looking at us. What's the biggest? What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was them.
Deer make that kind of sound?
Yeah, they're like hopping.
They're not scared of like a coyote or something and we need to get out of here. Do you see that that's shaking? The reed over there, something's going through the reeds.
What is this, Jurassic Park?
I don't like this. I'm scared.
We have no idea what that is.
Whoa, birds are losing their minds. Oh God, there's a lot of mosquitoes burning. I want to get out of here. Look above you.
It's time to go. Let's get out of here.
What the hell is that?
What is that? A giant rat.
That's what a kookaburra basically is.
I thought a kookaburra is a bird.
Oh, what am I thinking of? Look at the biggest rodent. What is that called?
Capybara.
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 It's a capybara.
Oh my God, this is not the right lens to vlog with. It's a 55 on a 1.6 crop. I can't even put my arm far enough away for it to focus. This is the wrong lens to vlog with. I'm sorry. Oh no.
Oh God. We're so ready.
They swarm. Okay, back to warming up my hands. It's freezing. Oh God, there's more. Oh God.
Why are they always so low?
Oh,
Ew.
Oh my God, there's a lot.
Oh dear.
Oh God.
So how was that?
It was cold.
Uh-huh.
It was interesting. There were some weird sounds.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know either.
That sounded violent though.
It could be a bear. Could be a wolf. Could be a fox.
That was not a fox.
Could be
There's
a
no way.
coyote. A mountain goat. No, mountain lion.
Mountain lion? We're not in the mountains.
Bobcat.